Hello, this is Matt from Roundstone Van Centre. Today we look at this lovely 2017 Peugeot Expert 1.6 fridge/chiller van. Now this van is available from as little as £63 per week and it's got a full service history. It's not been used for fish. It's a Euro 6, got twin low doors, got a GAH cooler or chiller unit as you can see at the top there. It's got cruise control, Bluetooth radio, rear parking sensor, a spare key, has had one owner from new, and it's got electric mirrors and windows. Now if we start by taking a look in the front, as you can see up front you've got two seats, and that is the controls for the chiller unit in the back. We will show you a demonstration of it going down to temperature. Got your Bluetooth radio there, and on the door here you've got your electric mirror and window controls. Now this is the first side load door. Lots of room in the back here. As I said earlier, it's a GAH chiller unit. Now down here, the reverse parking sensors. We'll give you a better look into the back. And on this side as well, you've got your other side load door. So no matter what side you're on, you can get into the back from the side. 3 different points of access, and loads of room back here. And lastly, let's show you in the passenger side. Let's take a look underneath the bonnet. Let's take a look. Now let's show you it going down to temperature. So guys, just to quickly show you, currently got it running now and it's down to 0 degrees. Let's take it for a test drive. So we're now sat inside this 2017 Peugeot Expert. Going to take it on a quick test drive, so let's start her up. As you can see, starts first time, no issues or weird sounds. Let's go. Straight away, this van is really comfortable to drive. Shifts through the gears really nicely and has no issues getting up to a good speed. As well, you've got your Bluetooth radio here and your cruise control just down here. Now, as we approach the roundabout, I'm going to do a quick brake test. Brakes are lovely and responsive, don't pull at all when I brake. And as you can see, the steering is nice and responsive as well. That's going to be it for the 2017 Peugeot Expert fridge chiller van. Hope you guys all enjoyed the video and hope you have a nice day.